Hello, today I will show you how I make this Valentine gift. I will be making this simple rose paper. First, prepare a color paper. In this sample, I use the red one. Then, start drawing out a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect, since this will be only the guide to cut the paper. Now start cutting. After done cutting, you can erase any pencil trace that is left. Next, draw a spiral line like this and cut it following the guide. Now start rolling the paper for the tail like this. The starting can be a little bit hard, but after you get a hold of it, it will be easy. After reaching the end like this, you can now release it. Using the hot glue gun to attach it together. Now do some adjustment or clean it as you see fit. And here you have the rose paper. For a smaller size, use a tweezer to help starting. Then hot glue it up. Now you just need to make a ton of it, enough to fill the box. Start filling with the big one, and then use a small one to fill in the gap. And you should have something like this. The last part is to make a heart. Fold the pink paper in half. Draw a guide like this, and then start cutting it. Erase any pencil mark that is left. Repeat the same step to make an inner heart. And here you have the heart. Put a double-sided tape onto the heart. Then stick the heart to the clear box cover. Slide the clear cover to seal the box. And now you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. And have a nice day. Bye bye.